Hey, innovators! Are you struggling to charge your 18650 cells? Don't worry, we've got everything you need in this video. But before we get started, remember to hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to the Atribot channel for more awesome content. Now let's jump right into it. PVC sheet. Single cell holder, 18650 cell, TP4056. Connect the black wire to the TP4056B negative terminal, and connect the red wire to the TP4056B positive terminal. Using glue, attach the single-cell holder to the PVC sheet. Also, attach the TP4056 charging module to the PVC sheet. Finally, insert the 18650 cell into the single-cell holder and plug the charging.